Well, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to play games on your Android tablet. So if you go to the Google Play Store, you can download a bunch of free games. Or on my tablet, a bunch of games already came pre-installed. So let's just go to Store. And under the Google Play Store, we can just go to Games, the category on here. And then we can scroll on down. So there's going to be a bunch of free games. You can try to find the free game section, etc. Otherwise, you can just go through these different games on the top. Some of them are very inexpensive. I'm not sure if they're worth the 10 cents or whatever. But just go through here and look for the game. So you can decide based off of the different genres. So I do like those. This looks like it's just what I'm interested in. Here's some popular games suggested for me. And then I can scroll on down. This is what we want to go to. The tablet, top free. Then we got the different categories, so you can see Roblox is right here. Snake Clash, I'm not sure what that is. So let's just go to one game, and then we can watch the trailer or just install it. So this app will be installed to your phone or your device soon. And then we can go back. Let's go back and try out some more games here. Here's some multiplayer games. So yeah, you just have to kind of browse and decide what you want to look at. And this one, I can see all the top free games and the different categories on the top there. So once you have your game, you can just go to it now, swipe up, and it should be on your tablet somewhere. Here it is, Snake Clash. So wherever I downloaded, and sometimes it rotates your screen too. But very easy to find all the games you want. Just go to the Google Play Store and just try them out and decide. Now, some games like Fortnite, you might not be able to find. So this game looks very basic. I'm not really sure what's going on with this. Maybe I just have to eat the other snakes by eating all these little dots. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.